More drama at WTT Champions, Germany's fault service challenge denied by coach EmRatThich. Another controversy hits WTT Champions. In a mixed doubles match, Germany challenged a fault serve, but the umpire denied the request. Why? Because under current rules, a fault serve in doubles is not reviewable by the TTR, Table Tennis Review System. Let that sink in. In doubles, if the ball doesn't go diagonally, it's a fault. Simple. And in this case, the serve clearly landed on the wrong side. But because this type of error isn't listed under the 8 reviewable reasons in the TTR rules, the German team had no option. The challenge was rejected. This is not just a bad call, it's a systemic flaw. You have 5 big screens, slow motion replay, a clear violation, and yet the officials are powerless. Fans were outraged. Some even questioned if the table had center lines. Yes, the lines were there, but hard to see due to poor contrast and resolution. In doubles, the center line is essential. The rule is black and white, yet the system in place refuses to acknowledge it. That's not professional. That's not fair. Hopefully, WTT and ITTF will wake up. The TTR system must evolve to include all types of critical errors, especially in doubles, where one bad serve can shift the entire match momentum. Until then, we can only watch and shake our heads. Coach, EmRatThich.
We just saw the slow motion. Yeah, but give us the slow motion.
Her sports psychologist. She feels she's learned. Well, we're going to have a challenge.
The first one. Now, what happened there was, just to clarify,
if you lose the challenge, it will be
the Germans believed that Gozi's serve did direct half.
Challenge by Hoffman about the midline.
To serve from right to left.
She wants to challenge the center line.
But you see from this angle that it was wrong. We just saw the slow motion. Yeah, but give us the slow motion. You have the TV rights. Show the slow motion.
Well, the serve was definitely a fault serve from what we saw on the slow-mo.
Only just 8 reasons for TTR review. 4, 7.
Well, it is, from the Germans' point of view, not a satisfactory.
Are they saying that TTVR doesn't cover that particular rule?
It's not within the 8 circumstances that merit a challenge.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.